Welcome to my plastics related channel. I have started this channel for plastics related videos. If you are looking for plastic products manufacturing, raw material, and plastic products business information, so this channel is for you. Plastic plays a vital role in our lives. We can't get rid of plastic, but we can consider reducing it. So on this channel, we don't just talk about the plastic business. Rather, we also share information on biodegradable plastics, recycling plastics, plastic substitutes, plastics quality, types of plastics, plastics industry, plastics pollution, and ways to reduce pollution. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.